every day. It's a dog day, wet dog day that it is. It's showtime. Again, I've been thinking $79.99, 20% off if you hang enough time to see the website give it to you. What is that, about $66.66? The 20% off, because it's $7.99 times 2, and then you're going to pay tax, and then you're going to pay for an extended download time. And I do want to try the software out, because I know when I do fading, crossfade, when you bring a clip into the other clip, it's not going to happen. It'd be like Power Director. You have to go grab the crossfade. On Magix, you don't do that. You just simply drag it in. It's an automatic feature. I did this the other time. I walked. As I walked, and I got too near the car, but I watched this other person do the same thing. It didn't go off. Watch the headlights as I walk by. The doggy walking, oh yeah, didn't go off this time because I stood there for more than a few seconds. Man, no record sign. Well, I've got a couple of days worth of video. Time to go download for free. Decide if I want it, and then make my purchase. I am, again, another wet day. Don't you just love wet days? I've downloaded the free version of Movavi Video Editor. And yeah, it's awesome. I like it. Now I'm checking out prices. Well, wouldn't you just go to one site, pay $74.95, $6 for extended download, and off you go for a lifetime? I noticed, and I know there's a video suite, and it gives you the converter, it gives you the screen recorder, and the editor. And the price of that is about, say, $109, $95.95. In Google, I just typed in, Video Editor Suite by Movavi, and I pull up like 6 to 7 to 12 different pricings. And yeah, $45, $54, lifetime special offer video suite. What do I do now? I'm kind of confused. It says Movavi USA, but the other site doesn't say Movavi USA. So maybe there is a difference why an official site and the other official site don't have the right prices, and it is 2024 software. Oh man, did you just hear that? Gunshots. Well, that's my story. I told you. I'm not upset, just trying to figure out how people can make prices and what's the right prices and which one to choose from. I want to make the right choice and not get something that is really an annual and not a lifetime, and vice versa. You can always check out the link, figure it out for yourself, and when you do find a good deal, you'll get to know exactly what I'm talking about.